These are the 36-inch bamboo skewers. We're going to be using these to roast marshmallows, maybe occasionally some hot dogs. But this is exactly what we needed for this fire pit area for our guests. We also have like the metal ones, that the telescoping ones. It's like a fork at the end. But for the little kids, we like using the bamboo ones because it's just much more safe and secure as opposed to the hot metal on there. So this is what it looks like right here. You can see it's very long right here. It's 36 inches. Picked these up in a 100 pack. I picked up this brand because normally they're 5mm. This one is 6mm, and this one, it's very, you can see here, it doesn't really have a lot of bend to it. It bends, but like it's very sturdy. Like when you hold it like this, it definitely doesn't like shake or wobble. But we did try these out already. Very pleased with them. You could use them more than once if you want to, as long as you don't burn the wood at the ends. But overall, very happy with them. Again, we picked these up in a set of 100. So it isn't kind of a decent sized box because they are 3 feet long, so you do have to store these. But overall, very happy with these. So if you're looking for some wooden skewers, definitely check these out.